Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight I'm coming at you with a one-box break of 2013 Prizm football. I'm very excited for this product. Last year's was killer, and I think this year's is going to be even better. That's a weird packaging by Panini there, but can't complain. Ah, it opens up top, that's why. There we go. Empty box. Alright guys, here we go. Good luck everyone. Anthony Fasano. We got some old school here. Kendall Wright. Kyle Rudolph. Patrick Peterson. And a decade dominance Bart Starr. That's going to go to the Packers. That's going to go to Glenn. Glenn, I know you'd appreciate that one, buddy. There you go. Nice Bart Starr. Old school. And the rookie, Jamar Taylor for the Miami Dolphins. That's going to Leland P. And wow, this is a sick card. HRX Denard Robinson rookie. That's going to the Jacksonville Jaguars, Glenn H. Wow, these are nice, guys. Yes, we did, Joe. You're way late. Bernard Pierce. Hakeem Nicks. Michael Crabtree. Marquise Colston. We got a prismatic here. Nice hit for the 49ers. Vance McDonald's. Kyle G. There you go, buddy. And a DeAndre Hopkins HRX. That is going to the Texans. First time a Charles P. Very nice card. And wow, Pierre Garçon. And that's the Prizm. Very nice hit. That's going to go to the Redskins. Kent R. Joe, you had the Jets, buddy, but no Geno for you. I'm sorry. Cameron Wake. Emmanuel Sanders. Darrell Richardson. Jason Witten. And a brilliant Alfred Morris going to Kent R. The rookie, Kenny Vaccaro. That's going to go to the Saints. Glenn, there you go, buddy. And Robert Woods HRX, and that's going to Brandon. Demarius Thomas. These cards are nice. And we may have an auto in here. T.Y. Hilton. Nakadong Su. RG3. The rookie, Christine Michael, going to Glenn. The HRX, Deion Jordan for the Dolphins. That's going to Leland. And let's see what we have here. Niall Davis, not a bad hit at all. Kansas City Chiefs. Kent R, welcome back. Boom, baby. Nice hit for you. Took a little hiatus and comes back with a nice autograph in the first box. I'll tell you what, this is a nice product, guys. This is a nice product. We got shiny in here. I like shiny stuff. Brian Hartline. Trent Richardson. Julio Jones. Anquan Bolden. The rookie is Matt Scott for the Jaguars. Glenn H. The HRX, Keenan Allen. He had a big week a couple of weeks ago. Let's go into the Chargers, Mike C. And Matt Flynn. And he's on the Oakland Raiders here, so he's going to go to the Raiders. And that's going to Mike C. Chris Johnson, Terrell Suggs, Brandon Marshall, Victor Cruz, Jermichael Finley, the rookie, Aaron Dobson for the Patriots, going to Shoei, and a Tavon Austin. That's going to the Rams. Nice hit for Glenn. That's pretty cool. I just know that you can put that barcode into your phone. They'll play a video for you. Pretty cool. All right, Brando. And guys, just so you know, after the break, I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to randomize the names one more time, 6 times. Number 13, you're going to get an autograph. So stick around for that after the break. Tom Brady, Flexigo Burris, Lance Moore, Isaiah Peed, and there we go, Phillip Rivers. Monday Night Heroes, and that's going to the Chargers. That's going to Mike C. Chance Warmack for the Titans, also going to Mike C. And an E.J. Manuel. Brando leaves, and look what he gets. E.J. Manuel, HRX. I don't know. Yep, Brent's still around. Wes Welker, Victor Ballard, DeMarcus Ware, Aaron Rodgers, Pierre Garçon, and the rookie, Matt Barkley. For the Philadelphia Eagles, Brandon. There you go, buddy. And also the HRX, Matt Barkley, also going to Brandon. Kenny, you are a trip, my man. You are a trip. Jacoby Ford, DeQuell Jackson, Roddy White, Frank Gore, and a rookie impact, Tyrann Mateo. That's going to Charles P., the first timer with us. And for the Jets, D. Milliner. And that's going to go to Glenn. And for the Vikings, Cordell Patterson, HRX, and that's going to Kent R. I'm liking Prizm too, Chris. Yeah, Brandon, you should. And we're gonna see some color. We got a lot of boxes, guys. Well, actually, I only got 4 boxes, so we don't have that many. Bilal Powell, J.J. Watt, Darren Sproles, Jay Cutler, Jeremy Maclin, and the rookie Ryan Swope. And that's going to Charles P. And a Marquise Goodwin HRX. I think you just got the whole team, Brandon. The whole HRX set of the Bills. I see that, Chris. Reggie Wayne, Denarius Moore, Sean Green, Clay Matthews. Nice, Jerome the Bus Bettis. Decade dominance. That's going to the Steelers. Kyle G. There you go, buddy. And a Kobe Hamilton rookie. That's going to the Bengals. That's going to Mike C. And a Kenny Stills HRX. That's going to go to Glenn. That's a nice one, Kenny. I think Talks a Lot's better. Andy Dalton, Danny Amendola, Carson Palmer, Jared Cook, Morris Claiborne, the rookie Mike Gillespie for the Dolphins, Leland P. And there is no HRX here. So that's a junker. Isaac Redman, Eric Decker, Donald Brown, Jordy Nelson, and a brilliance, Darrell Revis. That's my boy right there. That's going to the Buccaneers. Jordan G, the first time. And there you go. It's a nice card, Jordan. And Dennis Johnson for the Texans. And that is going to Charles P. Terrence Williams, HRX. And that is going to Glenn. No, you sure don't, but I bet you that'll be a thing of the future, Chris. I bet you that's a thing of the future. Darren McFadden, Steve Johnson, Santana Moss, Steven Jackson, LaMichael James, and the rookie is DJ Fluker for the Chargers. That's going to Mike C. And Vance McDonald, HRX, and that is going to Kyle. All right, Kyle, now you got a video to watch. I like this Prizm. I want to see some color. And we got some shiny here. Ooh, it might be gold. A lot to see. Chris Ivory, Andrew Luck, Matt Flynn, Jimmy Graham. Oh, that's a nice one. Prismatic Andrew Luck, guys. That's going to Glenn. There you go, buddy. And Jawan Jameson. I thought that was a Prizm. It was actually the Luck. Jawan Jameson. That's going to the Redskins, Kent R. And Marcus Lattimore. That's going to Kyle. I want to see some color here, guys. Tim Tebow. They're still making cards of him, huh? Rod Streeter. RG3. Julio Jones. Anquan Bolden. And the rookie, Luke Jokel. That's going to the Jaguars, Glenn H. And Giovanni Bernard, HRX. That's going to the Bengals, Mike C. All right, got 4 or 5 more packs in this box. One more autograph left in here, that's for sure. And maybe, just maybe, some color. Delanie Walker, AJ Green, Stephen Ridley, Mark Ingram. Monday Night Heroes, Peyton Manning. Nice card. That's going to the Broncos. Jerry W. Sam Montgomery, rookie. That's going to the Texans. Charles P. And Aaron Dobson, HRX. That's going to Shoei. 3 more packs. Guys want the mixer, huh? Ooh, we got a die cut here. And I believe it's gold. Gold or orange. Heath Miller. I told you we were getting some color, guys. Trindon Holiday. Antonio Gates. Brian Quick. Let's get to that die cut later. Jarvis Jones for the Pittsburgh Steelers. That's going to Kyle. Dion Jordan, HRX. That is going to Leland. And let's see what we got here. Vincent Jackson die cut. And that's an orange, so they didn't number it. Looks orange. That's going to the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. First time a Jordan G. There you go, buddy. Nice card. Oh, yes, they did number it. I'm sorry. And look at this, guys. Number 1. Number 1 of 50. I can't get it to show on here. There you go. Number 1/50. That's some boom, baby. First timer, Jordan G. There you go, buddy. With the eBay 101. Yeah, there's one autograph hit. One autograph has been hit. And we have one more to go, Jeremy. Kobe Fleener. Rashad Jennings. TJ Graham. Vernon Davis. And a rookie impact, Jonathan Franklin, going to the Green Bay Packers, Glenn H. Xavier Rhodes for the Minnesota Vikings. That's going to Kent R. And a Keenan Allen, HRX. And that is going to Mike C. This should be an autograph. Last pack. And it is, I see it. Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis, Josh Freeman, Alshon Jeffrey, David Wilson, Kevin Minter for the Arizona Cardinals, Charles P. Stedman Bailey, HRX, that's going to the Rams, that's going to Glenn. And let's see what the autograph is, guys. All right. Bjorn Werner for the Indianapolis Colts. And that's going to go to Glenn H. There you go, buddy. Nice. And guys, I'm loving how these autographs are. These are nice. Nice product here. Don't forget, we got to do the giveaway. So let's get to the giveaway right now before we go further. How we're going to do the giveaway, guys. I'm going to randomize all the names in the break 6 times. Whoever lands on spot number 13 is going to get a Kevin Minter hard hats autograph. Number 5 of 199. Alright, guys. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. All your names are there, so we're going to do it 6 times from right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoever's on 13 gets it. Here we go. Good luck. 13, Kent R. Kent R, you got the autograph coming, my friend. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check us out at www.thecasebreakers.com. Follow us on Twitter at @thecasebreakers. Check my eBay auctions. My eBay ID is the Casebreakers. Boom, baby!